talk to y'all for a minute. See, I've been listening, and I don't really feel like it's nothing I can relate to. You know? So I feel like maybe I gotta take it upon myself to come with something real.
Live the struggle that you never chose, became the concrete that grew the rose. It's all the places that you never go to, that's exactly where you need to go. I know it's dark, but then that same black hole often teaches how to light your soul. Picture everything that we fought for, and we can be happy again. We can be happy again. We can be happy again. We can be happy. We can be happy. You deserve to be happy. No, it's obstacles upon your road that you had not ever foreseen before. Things have happened, but you can't control that. Don't know who was waiting at the door. Still you're walking with the same angels, cause they never learn to let you go. Don't let no one tell you what you can't do. And we can be happy again. We can be happy again. We can be happy again. We can be happy. We can be happy. Probably feel like you the only one, but if you take the time to look around, you will find that you're already holding most of what you should have found. Keep on searching and the rest will come. Keep on fighting and protect your crown. Just stay humble when your struggle's done. You'll be grateful that it came around. Cause if love was an ocean, you should be swimming now. If love was a mountain, you should be climbing now. Again, we can be happy again. We can be happy again. We can be happy.
No, you can't. You can be happy. It's alright. It's our obligation. We got light inside and it's trapped until we let it out. The real me makes music to change the world. So why would I hide the real me? Because the most beautiful version of me is the real me. You know? You need that smile. The most beautiful version of yourselves is you. So be you, but be happy.
Every burden that you couldn't carry, end up holding you and carrying you. Trust your journey, make it legendary, and be grateful for the blessings they gave you.